Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to apply for the prepaid Wi-Fi installations. This is actually from Globe. This is running on fiber cable. Since it's prepaid, there will be no monthly bill, no contract, or no cancellation fee needed. So I applied yesterday and the technicians came today to install it. And right now I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to apply for this prepaid Wi-Fi installation. First, pull up any browser and type in GFiber Prepaid and tap on the first link. So you'll be routed to this page and just tap on the red button there to check your location for the availability of the GFiber. Okay, on this page, just enter your address. Okay, then tap on Pin My Location. Okay, scroll down to the map and just drag that to pin your location. Okay, let me just find my location here. So you're gonna have to use two fingers for this to work. Okay, that's the address there. Okay, let me just put it right on the highway. Okay, all set. Just check my address. Then your phone number. Then 6-digit code, create one. Next. Okay, your name, information, email, and then yes, and then check all those boxes there and submit. Okay, so on this page, choose the date when you would want the technicians to come and install. Then set schedule. And then you're gonna have to pay the installation fee. So for this, $599. So I use Gcash for this. They give me a barcode to scan it, or just open Gcash directly on your phone. So once payment is done, you will receive a confirmation. And on the next day, technicians come and install your GFiber prepaid Wi-Fi. So they're also gonna assist you in registering the phone number to the Globe One app to track the status of your load, just like this. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.